Anime powers aren't fiction. Animals already have them. Its claw moves so fast it boils water into plasma.
Cut off its leg, it just grows a new one.
It disguises as a lionfish, a snake, even a jellyfish. When it's dying, it reverts to its childhood stage, forever. You could nuke it, freeze it, launch it into space. It lives. That's 5 times a US wall socket.
It stuns prey with a bubble that hits 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the sun's surface.
Evolution already wrote the manga. You're just the sequel.